iPhone now supports multiple WhatsApp accounts. No second phone needed. Here's how to set it up. So first, go ahead and open WhatsApp. Now once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your account icon. When you do that, you'll see your profile page. And right next to your name, you'll notice a little plus icon. You can either tap that plus icon or tap on Account and then choose Add Account. Now once you tap on Add Account, you'll see two options, your current account and the option to add a new WhatsApp account. Go ahead and tap on Add WhatsApp Account. Now you'll get the welcome screen. Just tap Agree and Continue to move forward. From here, it's just like setting up WhatsApp normally. You'll need to enter your phone number. You can choose your country code, type your number, and then tap Continue. After that, you'll receive a verification code on the other phone, so make sure you have access to that number. But if it is the first time you're making WhatsApp for that number, you won't receive any code. Now once you verify, you might see an option to restore from iCloud. If you've used this number before and have chats backed up, you can restore them. But if not, you can just skip and continue. Next, you'll be able to set up your profile. If you've used this account before, your name might already appear. Otherwise, you can just enter a new name and tap Done. And that's it. Your second account is now ready to use. Now, quick thing you need to know. If this account was already active on another phone, it will be logged out from that device. Also, you'll always need access to the phone number because of the verification code. Now, let me show you something really cool. Switching between accounts is super easy. All you have to do is go to the bottom right and double tap your account icon. That's it. Double tap once, you switch to the other account. Double tap again, you switch back. It's super fast and very smooth. Now, what if you want to remove one of the accounts? No problem. Just tap on your account icon again, go to Account, and you'll see two options, Remove Account or Delete Account. If you tap Remove Account, it will only remove it from this iPhone. Your account is still safe, nothing gets deleted. But if you choose Delete Account, that's permanent, so just be careful. If you are removing it, just tap Remove, Confirm, and that's it. Now you're back to having only one account. And of course, if you want to add it again later, you already know the steps. So yeah, this is how you can use multiple WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone, a really useful feature that a lot of people have been waiting for. If this helped you, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already and share this with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.